Good morning. I'm going to make you a quick video about tree diagrams, and I apologize, the drawing on the screen is really bad, but let's go with it. So somebody posted a problem in the discussion about how they were having an issue with tree diagrams, and I just wanted to show you that they can be really helpful. So assume the outcomes displayed in a tree diagram are all equally likely. What is the probability that you'll get a head and a number greater than 4 when you flip a coin and toss a die? All right, so the first thing you're going to do is flip a coin. And if you see this here, this line here where I am right there, I've kind of made it where my first thing is you can toss a coin. So you could get a head or you could get a tail. So that tells me there's a 50% chance you get a head, 50% chance if you get a tail. Okay, but then it said you toss a die. So you flipped your coin, you could either have a head or a tail, and then you toss the 6-sided die. And these little lines down here are the branches for when you do tossing a die. Because remember, I've got to toss the coin first where I could get a head or a tail, and then I've got to toss the dice where I can either get 1 through 6 after I've done a head, or I can get 1 through 6 after I've tossed a tail. Okay, but what it wants is I've tossed a head, which is this way. I want to go down this way. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to highlight it in blue. I've got a head, and now I want to get a number greater than 4. So it's going to be, 5 and 6. Let's see. Sorry, I don't know if this is going to let me do it really well because I've done some funky stuff with my stuff. Ooh. Yeah, okay. So I don't have to worry about anything else, but it's telling me that I've tossed my head. So now I'm going to get rid of this just so it doesn't confuse me. Okay. So now what I'm looking at is I've tossed a head and now a number greater than 4, which is 5 and 6. So that happened 2 times. So I'm going to put 2. 2 tosses are possible. Okay. But that's not my answer. So now I need to know, I need the probability and I need it in decimal. So how many likely possibilities are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which includes what I want it to be, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 tosses. Okay, let's do this. Let's rewrite this. Let's say 12 tosses when I toss a head and get a number greater than 4. Okay, so it's 2, and then it's over 12 possible tosses. Okay, so I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. Okay, so you see what I got that. So basically it's 2 divided by 12. And if I put that in my calculator, I'm going to do that right fast. Okay. 2 divided by 12. I get 0.16667 or 0.167. Okay, that's how you get that. So remember, draw a tree diagram. The first thing you want to draw is what they're asking you to do first. And then what they ask you to do second, you have to repeat under what you had to do first. So what I did is, remember, I did my heads and my tails, and then I did 1 through 6 on this side and 1 through 6 on that side. But I knew to stay on the left side because I had to toss the heads first. Hope this helps.